Cats can fall from 20 stories and walk away. I fell off my couch once and told everyone for a week. So obviously, I had to figure it out. Why do cats always land on their feet? The answer is unfair and it involves something I will never have. Regardless, we're getting into it. So a few years back, I used to have a cat. Miso. Miso was not smart, but Miso was confident. He lived on top of my bookshelf, which was some 8 feet high. So one day, Miso tried to jump from the shelf to the door. But then he missed. And for half a second, I thought that was the end of Miso. But then something spectacular happened. Mid-air, Miso twisted his body like a wet towel. He hit the ground all fours, then stood up and immediately started judging me. Notwithstanding the fact that I was young at the time. That night, I kept wondering about it, so I had to Google it because I needed to know. Why do cats land on their feet after falling? Especially from a very high position. So for context, there's a name for this. It's called the writing reflex, and scientists have been studying it since the 18th century. By dropping cats on purpose from buildings and taking pictures, which is messed up but useful. Here's how it works. Part 1. The head. The second a cat starts falling, ears detect it. There's a system in them called the vestibular system. It tells the cat which way is down before the cat even panics. The head turns first every single time. Part 2. The spine. Humans have one stiff spine. Cats have like 30 pieces. So the front half can rotate left, while the back half rotates right at the same time. It's called conservation of angular momentum. I call it illegal. This is how they flip their entire bodies. Part 3. The landing. Once the cat is facing down, it does two things. It spreads out like a little parachute. It bends its leg like a spring. It slows the fall and absorbs the impact. Here's where it gets weird. From about 7 stories up, cats can survive more because they have time to hit terminal velocity. From 2 stories, they don't have time, so they hit harder. But why did they get this ability? Because cats fall a lot. From trees to roofs to places they shouldn't be. If they died every time, there would be no cats left in the world. So evolution gave them armor and gave us lower back pains. Seems fair. So the lesson is simple. Cats land on their feet because of biology, physics, because they've been practicing for millions of years. So the next time you see a cat on a ledge, don't freak out, it's gonna be fine, but you're not if you try to copy it. If you want more videos about why the world is weird like this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next. The end.